Hey everyone, welcome back to our tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to upload profile video on TikTok instead of a profile picture. For that, make sure to get logged into your own TikTok account just like me. So here you can see that I'm already logged in. Now what you need to do is tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. As you do it, you will get an option of edit profile option, and just above it you can see that I do have a profile picture on my profile, but I do want to keep a video for this. So what should I do? Alright, so tap on edit profile option here. As you do it, you'll get an option of change video just at the side of the change photo option. So tap on change video. And as we do this, we will get onto the options of gallery where we can get lots of videos and we can select one of them to keep as our profile video. So wait for it. So here, I'm going to choose one of the video that I like and that I want to keep as a profile video, just like this. So here it's a very cute cat video. Alright, and then here's one option that I can keep just a video of 6 seconds. So I'm going to choose from the bar that with 6 seconds of the video that I will love to keep. So after I've selected, I'm going to tap on save option in the top right corner. So the video is being processed and it's being uploaded successfully. So wait for it and you can see that it's being uploaded and profile video is completed. And at the side of the change photo option, you can see that the video has been successfully uploaded. You can go back and check this. So on the top, you can see that I have kept a profile video successfully. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.